Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the vitamin like components. That is the vitamins compound. First is the choline, lipotropic agent used to treat the fatty liver and distributed fat metabolism. Inositol for the amino acid transport and movement of the potassium and sodium. Next is the taurine, help in the retinol, photoreceptor activity, bile acid conjugation, WBC antioxidant activity, CNS, neuromodulation, platelet aggregation, cardiac contractibilities, and insulin activity. Next are the minerals. There are some minerals present. Calcium. First is the calcium essential for the bone and teeth, maintaining bone strength, nerve, the muscle, and the glandular function. Blood clotting. Iron are the energy production, Hb oxygen transport. Next is the magnesium for the healthy nerve and muscle function, bone formation. And next is the phosphorus is used to energy production, phosphorylation process, bone and teeth for the genetic material. Next is the cobalt, component of vitamin B12 and B12 coenzymes. Coppers, Hb and the collagen production, function of heart, energy production, absorption of iron. Next is the iodine, proper function of the thyroid gland. Chromium is used in the insulin. It helps in conversion of carbohydrate and fat into energy, treatment of diabetes. And next is the selenium. It is the antioxidant functioning of heart muscle, part of GPX enzyme. And next is the zinc. Zinc is essential for cell reproduction, for development in the neonates, wound healing, production of the testosterone hormone. Next are the herbals. Herbals, first is the aloe vera, anti-inflammatory, emollient, wound healing. Evening primrose oil, dietary supplement of the linoleic acid, treatment of atopic eczema. Garlic is used as the antibacterial, antifungal, antithrombotic and anti-inflammatory. And next is the ginger, carminative, antiemetic, treatment of the dizziness. Ginseng is adaptogen. Green tea is used as the antioxidant, reduce the risk of the CVD, enhances the humoral and the cell-mediated immunity. Vegetables, fruit and whole grain herbs, nut and the various seeds contain an abundance of the phenolic compounds and the terpenoids, sulfur compounds, pigments, etc., that has been associated with the protection treatment of the certain disease condition. So in today's class, I discuss about some mineral like calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, cobalt, copper, iodine, chromium, selenium, zinc, and also about the vitamin like compounds. Thank you.